Introduction. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this series of 30 short videos, I'm going to be sharing with you some tips and tricks that will help you grow your business and become a successful entrepreneur. Each video is only 1 minute long, so you can easily fit them into your busy schedule. Topic 1. In this first video, I'm going to share with you some strategies for finding your niche and standing out in a crowded market. Topic 2. In this next video, I'm going to talk about the importance of setting goals and how you can use them to motivate yourself and your team. Topic 3. For all the budding entrepreneurs out there, in this video, I'm going to give you some advice on how to get started with your business, even if you don't have a lot of experience. Topic 4. Next up, I'm going to share with you some tips on how to build your brand and establish yourself as a thought leader in your industry. Topic 5. In this video, I'm going to discuss the different types of funding available for startups and how to determine which one is right for you. Topic 6. In this next video, I'm going to talk about the importance of networking and how you can build meaningful relationships with other entrepreneurs and business leaders. Topic 7. For those of you who are struggling with time management, in this video, I'm going to give you some tips on how to prioritize your tasks and maximize your productivity. Topic 8. Next, I'm going to share with you some advice on how to scale your business and take it to the next level. Topic 9. In this video, I'm going to discuss the different types of marketing strategies that you can use to grow your business and reach new customers. Topic 10. Finally, I'm going to give you some tips on how to stay motivated and focused even when things get tough. So be sure to tune in and learn how to take your business to the next level.